Welcome to It's a Lifestyle, and today I'm bringing you a revamped spring cleaning of my laundry room. I feel like since I've been here, this laundry room has been through the ringer and then some. I'm not motivated when I come in here. I love washing clothes, but folding is like a whole nother story. I know a lot of you women feel me out there, but today's the day. I want to create an atmosphere in my laundry room that makes me want to be in here, that makes me want to do laundry. So I'm going to revamp some of the decor, and I'm going to start doing some of the minimalistic approaches to my cupboards in here. I have so many things that I don't really need. I'm not talking about cleaning products. I'm talking about shower curtains that I might not use. I'm storing stuff that I just need to really clean out and give away. So with that said, I picked up some things from Walmart and Dollar Tree to help make this whole transition of reorganizing, purging, cleaning out, and giving more of a clean look. I got them from Dollar Tree and Walmart. And let me just go ahead and just show you a little bit of what I got so you know what I'm talking about. I picked up 4 of these baskets. I made sure not to get the ones with the holes because I didn't want to see my products. I wanted a clean look, and so I got the white. They have handles. I can label them come, some later time, but for right now I'm just gonna keep them plain. And I picked up some things that I knew that would help also motivate me to want to clean. Not clean, but motivate me to be in this laundry room. Like this delicate wash bag. I didn't have this, and this is something I feel like if you invest a lot of money in Victoria's Secret and your lingerie, then you want to make sure that they last long and you take care of them, because a lot of it's fine lace and stuff. So I felt like picking this up would help not just take care of my laundry, but also make it fun to want to wash clothes. I also picked up some of these fragrant boosters. Never used them before. I know a lot of name brands out there that have developed this product, but I picked these ones up from the Dollar Tree. I also picked up some Shout because good old Shout, I love it. Can't even do laundry without it, honestly. Between my husband and my daughters, Shout is like my best friend. I also picked up some of these Sunny Breeze fragrance air fresheners, but it also helps, with these little beads, it also helps take in the moisture as well, but I really only got this for the smell of it. What I did get for the moisture though, because in your laundry room, if you notice, it can become very muggy. So I picked up the Moisture Eliminator with charcoal/carbon. So it eliminates tough odor, prevents water damage, and traps excess moisture. So this is like a go-to. I used this brand last time, Clear Air, and I picked this one up from, I believe, TJ Maxx, but it's already over with and done, so I picked up this other one from Dollar Tree. So we'll see how this one works. I know this one works really good. I also, at Dollar Tree, picked up a few of these jars. I'm showing you 2, but I did pick up 3. And I thought that maybe possibly pouring these fragrant boosters inside here and make it visible would give me that inspiration that would help make me feel happy in wanting to use and be in here in the laundry room. Another thing I picked up that I thought would be a good idea for my detergent, my liquid detergent, was this right here. It's pretty tall. I love that it looks so industrial and rustic. I love the galvanized metal right here, and with the rope hanging down. The lid is glass, just like the glass jar, and it lifts off. But I love it. It's pretty tall, so I'm gonna have to probably take out the middle shelf within the cabinet just so it can fit. Hopefully this works out. If not, I have other containers that I could possibly use. I just loved this look though, in particular. And I thought how cute it would look with this filled with those fragrant little bead thingies. The next thing I got was, well, I've had this for a minute, so I'm going to use it this time around. And you hang this over your door. It's for your ironing board and your iron. I like this because it's a designated place for your iron and for your ironing board. So you're never in a situation where you're like, where do I put this? Because for those of you who know, I downsized. Let's just say that. Significantly. That's the word. Significantly. So since I did that, I don't have all this extra closet and storage space. So I have to become more innovative of my space and maximize everything that I have. So just like that one video I showed you of my small closet and how I utilized the space above the shelving to maximize my space for my shoes, that's kind of like where my mindset is. And that's why I even started this whole minimalism journey. One thing that I always say that really touched me when I was looking at another minimalist is that everyone's journey is the same. So as much as I love home decor, they're not saying to get rid of everything. They're just saying be more mindful of your purchases and be more mindful of the things you hold on to. So that's my approach to my journey and going like from room to room is when I'm doing this like cleaning. And although it's spring and I'm thinking, oh, I can have this perfect opportunity to spring clean, I'm trying to use the minimalist mindset as, does this serve me? Does this bring me joy? Does it serve a purpose? Do I need it? All that kinds of stuff, you know? So with all of that said, that's where I'm at right now, you guys. So I'm going to use that. So I did pick up a few other home decor things that I feel like can be useful in this room. And one of the things I picked up was this from Ross for $19.99. I picked this up a while ago and I've had it just underneath my bed and I haven't used it yet, but I bought it with the laundry room in mind. I figured I could use this to help store things, but if I don't use it in here, I'm sure I'll find some other place in my house to use it. But that's what I got this for. Another thing that I got, because I thought it would be cute for inside this laundry room, was this clock. I got it too at Ross and it was $11.99. I love the turquoise color in here because my walls are white. So a little pop of color I felt would inspire me to be like, want to be in here. So I just love the design of it. It has like a floral design. It's cream on the inside and then on the sides has like a rust, like someone like scraped it a little bit, and I like that. Another thing that I got with the laundry room in mind, don't know if I'll use it, but for those of you who do not know, my laundry room is the place where you enter and leave. And so I don't have a mud room. So because this is like an active walking area, I felt like getting this right here. It has a mirror, it has hanging little hooks, 1, 2, 3, 4 hooks. And I felt like hanging this on the wall would help give a designated area for like your keys or your coat. Not quite sure if I'm still going to use it in here, but that's why I bought it. Again, I've had these items for a while now. It's not new purchases, so I don't want to go and buy anything. I want to use what I have already. And so let's go ahead and start with this whole revamp of decluttering, of purging, and see where it goes. So as you can see inside my cupboards, there's like completely no organization going on in there. That's the same decor that I had since I've been here, which I'm not mad at. I really do enjoy that look, so I might be leaving it the same. But again, I have cleaning towels, I have my laundry detergent, and some little necessities like bleach and OxyClean. But I just want to change things up. So I'm hoping that I can use some of the things that I bought to help bring a more clean, simplistic, organized look. now that I finished cleaning the laundry room, I realized after taking off the decorations that I had placed on the top of the dryer, I now have space to use it as a folding table, which kind of makes being in here a little bit more exciting if you ask me. Sometimes we get so caught up with decorating and putting things all over in different spaces in our home that we don't realize that we lose the function of how we can really purpose the space, like a folding table.